For joining us. We are going to be looking at our Share YL links. We have covered wishlist in a previous video if you would like to go watch that, but this is going to pertain to this little Share YL. And if yours doesn't say virtual office, but rather says become a brand partner, make sure that you click that and just toggle it right on. There's no extra cost, no pressure to use it, but that just makes sure that you will be earning the maximum amount of cash if people do use your referral links. So clicking on Share YL, this is what it's going to look like. This first link right here is probably the most simple to use. All you need to do is select copy link and go ahead and text it or email it to your friends or family. And it looks just like this, just like the Young Living website. There you go, just like the Young Living website. But it is cookied to your business. So should your friends or family go ahead and check out, you will earn 25% off of everything that they purchase for the first 3 months. And then it will go from there. Now, this next link is you got to do a little bit more with it. This is your deep link generator. And what's lovely about the deep link generator is you can send people to just one product. So as you find one product that you really love and you would love for them to see it, this is how you're going to create that. So usually I just start a brand new tab and I'm going to go to youngliving.com, English. And then I will be taking a look around for the products that I really enjoy. And one of the things that I most love to send are our starter bundles or our kit and collections. One of my favorites is the Healthy Happy Home kit, which is this one right here for thieves. And it just has like a little grouping of all of your thieves products. It's a great way to get toxins out of your home. And when I go down like this, I can actually click this copy button when I'm signed in. You do have to be signed in, and that will copy a link that will send your friends and family members right here to this page. So if we go here and I copy in the link that I just shared and hit enter, if you look, it looks just like it because it is pretty much the same page. The only difference is that the end actually has my member number attached. So when somebody purchases, I get to earn that referral income, and so can you. Now, another way to generate a link, if you would like to, is to simply copy the URL that is at the very top of the page, go back to your deep link generator. You can paste that general URL right there, change the sponsor number or the enroller number if you would like, and you can generate the link. Oh, there you go. We're going to hit copy the link. And when you go through to the page, I'm going to paste that new URL up there, but see, it looks exactly the same. So the easiest way to do it, of course, is to just find the item that you love and hit copy. You'll be able to see that on any essential oil that you click on. They will all have that link down there once you're signed in, the share and earn link, and you can simply hit copy and off it will go to your friend or family member. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the person who signed you up with Young Living and has become your Young Living partner, or you can always respond back through the text message thread or via email to whoever sent you this video, and we'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much.